Hi everybody, welcome back to another food review on the one channel. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of getting over what I just had. Um, I'm sorry, but welcome back to another food review on the one channel. My name is Nick Manzione. Thank you very much for joining me today, folks. Well, folks, I want to welcome you to another edition of Subway Sundays. And if you don't know what Subway Sundays is, every Sunday or thereabouts, I go to Subway and explore the menu, whether it be something new, something fan made, or something I find from the internet. So, a couple weeks ago, we had the American Club, which was god awful. I would not recommend that. Last week for the season, or 2 weeks ago for the season finale, we had the Chicken Club, which was slightly better but not very. Last week for the season premiere of Subway Sundays, we had the Chicken Caesar Melt, which was a whole 100 times better than the previous two sandwiches. Now that we're in the full swing of things, there is a new cookie and a new dessert at Subway, which is in this pouch right there. I should say this again. I'm going to correct myself. It was a couple weeks ago, not last week. I'm sorry, but we have a new cookie at Subway, and this cookie is called the Raspberry Lemonade Cookie. So, doesn't really smell like anything when you look at the bag. Uh-oh, I think it already broke. Is it that soft that nobody broke? Oh no. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna do the best I can without getting sugar everywhere. This is the Raspberry Lemonade Cookie, and it already broke halfway in the bag, so. Oh. Wow. Wow. Whoa. That is. I tell you what. Subway doesn't do much. I haven't had a positive day today with Subway. This is a positive day. It's so soft. Let's just go in. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's literally crumbling in my hand. I really can't tell you much because I ate the whole thing. All I can tell you is the pink lemonade sparkles, or the pink lemonade crystals, add a bitterness to it, which is awesome. Absolutely. So now that's all gone, Let's rate the raspberry lemonade cookie on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. It was so soft, it crumbled in my hand. I can't describe the taste. It was not sicky sweet, but it was sweet enough for that if you took raspberry lemonade and just dumped it down in a bowl, not have it be too sugary, that's what it tastes like, but in cookie form. I don't know, I can't describe it, but all I know is it gets a 10 out of 10. Because it's that good, and I would highly recommend you go to Subway. Man, I tell you what, Subway for the desserts, ooh. I wish they would do that for all their sandwiches. This is a perfect way to end. This saved the Subway day. So go to your local Subway, get yourself a raspberry lemonade cookie. You will not regret it, and I'm very, very positive right now because that's a perfect way to end. I'm glad that it's the end of Subway day, kind of, because I don't want to eat Subway again for about another 6.5 months. But that would do it for my review, folks. I want to thank you for joining me. Please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, from the New Food Lab, this is Nick Manzione signing off. I hope you have a good day, and I want to thank you for joining me for another edition of Subway Sundays. Take care.